The illusion of free will. Hello, this is One Shot to the Future. Do you think you are in control of your life? Do you think you choose what to eat, what to say, and how to act every day? I hate to tell you this, but you are hallucinating. Science shows that 95% of your thoughts and actions are driven by your unconscious mind. Only 5% is your conscious mind. You are not the captain of the ship. You are just a passenger watching the autopilot drive your life. And unfortunately, your autopilot is programmed for survival, not success. The Iceberg Theory. Imagine an iceberg. The tiny part above the water is your conscious mind which say, I want to be rich. The massive mountain of ice underwater is your unconscious mind which say, money is evil. I am not good enough. Where does the iceberg move? Does it move where the wind blows the tip? No, it moves where the deep ocean currents take the mass. This is why you fail. Your mouth says, I want success, but your deep unconscious screams, it's dangerous. The massive underwater block always wins. Trying to change your life with willpower, conscious is like trying to push an iceberg with your bare hands. It's impossible. The self-sabotage mechanism. Have you ever messed up a great opportunity for no reason? You overslept before an interview or said something stupid on a date. That wasn't an accident. That was your unconscious mind protecting you. Your internal program is set to average and safe. Whenever you try to rise above your programming, your unconscious pulls the emergency brake. Stop. We don't belong there. Go back to the comfort zone. This is called self-sabotage. Until you rewrite this hidden code, you will always drag yourself back to the bottom. Hacking the operating system. Your life is a computer printout. If there is a typo on the paper, erasing the paper, fixing habits temporarily won't help. You have to go into the computer and change the source code. Beliefs. You are running on Poverty OS 1.0. You need to upgrade to Wealth OS 2.0. Stop fighting the screen. Fix the software. But how do we rewrite a code we can't see? In the next video, we will reveal the tool for hacking your brain. Language creates reality. Thank you. This was One Shot to the Future.